Hi, my name is Marie and welcome to my YouTube channel, Marilet's World. On this video, we are going to paint a small patchwork on a wall. This wall has been drilled and patched by an electrician to hide some wires. Now I'm going to paint it so it would match the old color and texture of the wall. These are my materials. Paint. These are paint texture we're going to add to the paint, a cup, and the roller. I've covered the surfaces around the patch area to protect them from paint splashes. So this is our beige bear paint. I'm gonna pour a small amount to the cup and mix some paint texture. So this is the paint texture. This bag is enough for 1 gallon paint, but I only have a quarter of a gallon. So I'm just gonna 1/4 of this paint texture. So I'm adding the paint texture. I'm being careful not to put too much so they won't clump. That's it. I think the new paint will lighten up once it completely dries. Now I just need to clean up. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to get notification of my new videos. Have a great day.